Hey, what is up techie people, welcome to another episode of watch face review. Today in the house I have another watch face from High Watch Faces, and name of the watch face is New High SO9 Mars. So why it is called Mars? Because it has a bit of Martian look to it. As you can see, yellow at the top and orange at the bottom. So this is how the watch face will look like in its original format, and you can see here we have the time in orange color, but still you can customize it. Just double tap here in the center of the watch face to change the color, and further you can also change the color of the lines or the color of this beating heart at the top of the face just by double tapping here at the bottom. And you can see the colors with the lines and the icons are now changing. And on the top left side we have our battery percentage, on the right side we have our calories burnt, here at the bottom step counter goal, and you can also still double tap at the top showing LCD in order to change the color of the bezel. So a lot of gradient colors are present here to try out with this Mars watch face. Plus you can still double tap here on this digital time to change its color. I mean, a variety of options and color themes are available to try out with this specific watch face. Plus you can see we have here different kinds of options available, like setting shortcut I have here, and you can see at the top battery icon, a battery shortcut, weather shortcut, and there are also specific app shortcuts available here. So this is a specific app shortcut. Just assign your favorite app like email, contacts or calendar, and you can go to it just by a single tap. So that's a very simple watch face to use on the Galaxy apps. And by the way, this watch face is a paid one, but developer has sent unlimited coupons via coupon generator website. So do check it out. And now let's see its AOD mode. So guys, this is how the AOD mode on this Mars watch face from High Watch Faces will look like. You can see overall dimmed down background, but your color is present in this orange format. So do check it out from the Galaxy apps, you will surely like it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.